Everyone, I am back with this week's spot prize giveaway. Good morning to you all. Now yesterday, because it had run over another day, I forgot to add some extras to the goodies. So we have this lovely journaling card that I covered with lace and put a butterfly on. It's come up very pretty. One of my collage cards with tea dyed paper or coffee dyed paper on the back. And a lovely little envelope. So those are the things I should have added yesterday. Now, what the challenge was you had to tell me, or I had to name an actor that I had a crush on, and we added one name who is my top person. That was added in the first day, and then we added another name yesterday. I also have been running a second prize. For those that have given me names that would have been added later on. Benny Hill not being one of them. But if you watch yesterday's video, you will see why this was added to the second prize pot. So we've got This and That Michelle, Benny Hill, The Crafting Shed Davis, Patrick Swayze, Christine Mortimer, Hugh Grant, Joanne's Crafts, Richard Gere, and Colin Firth was Crafting by the Pond. Now, once these names had gone, you don't. So anyone who's named these people after, you didn't get in first. So I do apologise. So, do we have a winner? Well, I'm going to keep you waiting for that one. We do have another name to add to the pot because Joanne's Crafts said Benedict Cumberbatch, which, yes, I do like him. He would have definitely been added to the list. So that one's going in there. Now, we do have a winner. We do have a winner. And this person got my #1 person. So are you ready to find out who that is? Now, this person, oh my goodness me. I'll tell you a funny story actually after. So this is my #1. Oh, Matthew McConaughey. So my clues yesterday obviously worked because I said he'd been in films and TV. So the winner is Judith McPherson. So Judith, if you can email me your name and address. I know I've had it from last year, but I probably can't find it in my emails. So if you could send me your name and address, these goodies will be on their way to you. So that's Judith McPherson with Matthew McConaughey. Do you want to see who #2 was? #2 was Jim Caviezel. Oh my gosh, how could you not get him? And other people that would have been on the list would have been Dermot Mulroney and Aidan Quinn. So there you go. So that is this one. Now we have a second prize, which I have not sorted out. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put you on pause for a minute and grab the things for the second prize giveaway, and then we'll find a winner. Right, okay, so I have found this stamp set, which I've been keeping for a giveaway. So this is my second prize, my spot prize, second prize. Lovely stamp set here. And what we need to do, let's put these to one side. I just need to fold these up. And I've got a great big bag here, a jiffy bag, which I'm going to pop them in because I couldn't find a bowl. And we're going to find out who's won the stamp set. I do love these spot prize giveaways. They are so much fun. I've got another one lined up, ready to go. You know how much fun you're having with all of these. Right, last one. So let's see who has won this stamp set. So let's give them a good mix up. Yep, they're all mixed up in there, as you can see. Oh gosh, we've lost one. I'm going to put my hand in and just pull one out. Oh, this one. Right. Who has won the stamp set? It is Crafting by the Pond with Colin Firth. I love you, Colin. Right. Okay, so Crafting by the Pond, if you could email me your name and address. Let's just put that in the bin. I will get that stamp set off to you. And Judith, if you can email me your address, as you have won that one. So that's the spot prize giveaway done until the next one. So thank you all for playing. It's been super, 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 super fun. And I shall see you all later on today. And hopefully I would have fixed this flipping nail by then as well. Oh, I didn't tell you the funny story. Actually, let me quickly tell you. Matthew McConaughey, right, had a huge, I want to say huge crush on him. Huge, huge, huge. But I was kind of put off a little bit by a little bit of celebrity gossip, right? Now, Kate Hudson, who has appeared in a couple of films with him, was quoted as saying that when she was doing one of the films with him, she had to tell him off because he stank. And he replied, he doesn't wear deodorant, he likes the masculine smell of natural, au natural. So I was a little bit put off by that. A little bit. So, Matthew McConaughey, I don't know, maybe your au natural smell is good. But I'm not so sure about that one. So anyway, thought that might give you a little bit of a chuckle. So, anywho, everyone, I'm going now. I shall see you all very, very soon. And I'll leave you with that lovely little bit of celebrity gossip. So take care for now. Bye-bye.